how to properly store your artificial turf. Let me ask you something. What's the point in investing thousands of dollars in high quality turf if it gets ruined before you even install it? You'd be surprised of how often this happens, and almost every time it comes down to one thing: improper storage. Hi everyone, JW here. Today's topic may not sound exciting, but trust me, it's one of the simplest ways to save yourself time, money, and frustration: how to properly store your artificial turf. I can't tell you how many times I've seen turf arrive in perfect condition only to end up damaged before the first blade ever touches the ground. Storage is everything, so let's break down the essentials. Rule number one, keep it rolled up. Artificial turf should be always stored in the rolled form it was delivered in. Never lay pieces flat. When turf is spread out, it's more likely to get stepped on, dragged, or crushed, damaging both the fibers and the backing. Rule number two, store it horizontally. Here's a big one. Never stand a roll upright on its end. The weight of the turf pressing down could cause creasing, warping, or even tearing. Instead, stack your rolls horizontally so that the load is distributed evenly. Flat spots will occur if the roll sits for long periods of time. This can sabotage the entire installation if used after getting flat spots. Rule number three, protect it from the heat. Turf fibers are tough, but they don't like excessive long-standing heat. Storing rolls next to the window, reflective glass, or hot equipment can cause some serious damage. Keep it cool and shaded whenever possible. Rule number four, keep it dry. Sure, turf can handle rain when it's installed outdoors, but in storage, moisture is the enemy. Damp, dark spaces encourage mold and mildew, which creates nasty odors. Always choose a clean, dry storage area, and remember, no flat spots. Rotate it. Rule number five, choose a secure location. Store your turf in a stable and secure location to prevent theft and damage. And remember, no flat spots. Final thoughts. Storing your turf properly isn't just about looks. It's about protecting the fibers, the backing, and the overall integrity of the turf. You know, your investment before it's ever installed. Take a few simple precautions now, and you'll thank yourself later, and when your turf looks fresh and flawless on the installation day. Thanks for watching this episode of Ask JW, and if you have a question for a future episode, leave it in the comments. Until next time, protect your turf.